Today we are learning division by observation. In this video, we learn to make division simpler using the sutra vilokanam. First, let's note a problem with the basic method and then we solve it by vilokanam. During division, quotient or remainder digits may be above 10, causing a two-digit number where we want only a single digit. As we have seen, we can continue forward and assemble the final answer by keeping the unit digits and treating the remaining digits as carry. But if we control each digit to be single, the division process will be even easier. So how can we do this? We fix the current digit after looking ahead to the value of the next digit. If the next digit won't be single, we take a part of the current digit as carry to the next digit so that next digit will be single. Let's divide 23,276 by 81. By assessment, number of quotient digits are 3 and complement of the divisor 81 is 19 and its vinculum form is 2 1 bar. We write the first digit of the dividend 2 as first digit of the answer. This digit is multiplied with 2 1 bar and products 4 2 bar are written in the second and third columns. Then the second column digits are added and we get 7 as the second digit of the answer. This digit is multiplied with 2 1 bar and products 14 7 bar are written in the third and fourth columns. Then the third column digits are added and we get 14 as the third digit of the answer. Now 14 is multiplied with 2 1 bar and products 28 14 bar are written in the last two columns. Finally, last two column digits are added and we get 28 and 8 bar as remainder digits. The quotient digits are 2, 7 and 14. From 14, 1 is added with 7 and we get 284 as new value of the quotient. 288 bar is the remainder. Its normal form is 272. Divisor 81 can be subtracted 3 times from 272 and we get 29 as remainder from this. 3 is added to current quotient 284. Thus the quotient is 287 and remainder is 29. Now let's do the same process with vilokanam. Complement of the divisor 81 is 19 and its vinculum form is 2 1 bar. Write the first digit of the dividend 2 as the first digit of the answer. This digit is multiplied with 2 1 bar and the products 4 2 bar are written in the second and third columns. Then the second column digits are added and we get 7 as next digit of the answer. This digit is multiplied with 2 1 bar and products 14 7 bar are written in the third and fourth columns. Then the third column digits are added and we get 14 as third digit of the answer. Since 14 is a two-digit number, we backtrack here. By adding 3 and 4, we got 7 as the answer. 1 is added to the 7 to make it 8 and 10 is subtracted from the next column. 8 is multiplied with 2 1 bar and product 16 8 bar are written in the third and fourth columns. Now the third column digits are added and we get 6 as third digit of the answer. Now 6 is multiplied with 2 1 bar and products 12 6 bar are written in the last two columns. Now fourth column digits are added and we get 11 as first remainder digit. Here we backtrack again. 1 is added to third column to make it 7 and 10 is subtracted from the next column. This 7 is multiplied with 2 1 bar and we write 14 7 bar in the last two columns. Now the fourth column digits are added again and we get 3 as first remainder digit. and next remainder digit will be 1 bar. So we do backtrack here also. From the first remainder digit, 1 is subtracted and 10 is added to the next column to make the next remainder digit 9. Thus, the quotient is 287 and remainder is 29. Let's do one more division with vilokanam. 32,458 by 88. By assessment, number of quotient digits are 3 and the complement of the divisor 88 is 12. Write the first digit of the dividend 3 as the first digit of the answer. 3 is multiplied with 1, 2 and products 3 and 6 are written in the second and third columns. Now the second column digits are added and we write 5 as second quotient digit. This 5 is multiplied with 1, 2 and products 5 and 10 are written in the third and fourth columns. Now third column digits are added and we get 15 as third quotient digit. Since this is a 2-digit number, we backtrack here. 1 is added to second column and 10 is subtracted from third column. New value of the quotient digit is 6 and it is multiplied with 1, 2 and we write 6 and 12 in the third and fourth columns. Now third column digits are added and we get 6 as third quotient digit. This 6 is multiplied with 1, 2 and we get 6 and 12. Now if we add fourth column digits, we get 23 as first remainder digit. So we backtrack this step. 2 is added to previous quotient 6 to make it 8 and 20 is subtracted from fourth column. Now 8 is multiplied with 1, 2 and we write 8 and 16 in the last two columns. Now fourth column digits are added and we get 5 as first remainder digit and sum of the last column is 24. So we backtrack here also. 2 is added to first remainder digit to make it 7 and 20 is subtracted from last column and we get last remainder digit as 4. Thus, the quotient is 368 and remainder is 74. Using the same procedure, we can simplify Paravartya division also. Let's see an example of that. Let's divide 3458 by 13. By assessment, number of quotient digits are 3. Last digit of the divisor is marked as negative. We bring down the first digit of the dividend 3 as the first digit of the answer. This digit is multiplied with 3 bar and result 9 bar is written in the second column. Now we add the second column digits and we get 5 bar as the result. We backtrack here. 1 is reduced from first quotient digit 3. 10 is added to second column. New value of the first quotient digit is 2 and it is multiplied with 3 bar and we write 6 bar in the second column. Now second column digits are added and we get 8 as second digit of the answer. This 8 is multiplied with 3 bar and we write 24 bar in the third column. Adding the third column digits we get 19 bar. We backtrack here also. 2 is reduced from second quotient digit and it becomes 6 and 20 is added to third column. Now 6 is multiplied with 3 bar and we write 18 bar in the third column. Adding third column digits we get 7 as third quotient digit. Now 7 is multiplied with 3 bar and 21 bar is written in the last column. And adding last column digits, we get 13 bar. So we backtrack again. 1 is reduced from third quotient digit and it becomes 6. And 10 is added to last column. Now 6 is multiplied with 3 bar and we write 18 bar in the last column and last column digits are added and we get 0 as the remainder. Thus the quotient is 266 and remainder is 0. Thank you for watching this video. Please let us know your feedback by your likes and comments. Share the video with your friends too. Do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.